Connie Unick, President of St. Mary's Academy. I am an alumna from the class of 1977, and my daughter is also an alumna from the class of 2008. It is my pleasure and honor to welcome you to our school. This is a place of learning, faith, service, and leadership. A school where our girls are at the heart of our decisions, and a school where young women are nurtured spirit, mind, and body. St. Mary's Academy has a rich history in this community. It is the first Catholic school and the oldest independent school in Winnipeg. It was founded by the Grey Nuns near the Forks in 1869, and 5 years later, in 1874, the Sisters of the Holy Names of Jesus and Mary, a teaching religious order, were missioned to lead the school. So we're older than Manitoba itself. We've been providing faith-based education for 150 years. That's a unique and special legacy we take very much to heart. Today, our operations are guided by 2 lay boards and the school leadership here, but the Sisters of the Holy Names of Jesus and Mary remain the corporate members and continue to impart wisdom and many prayers as we steward our charism, vision, mission, and guiding principles into the future. And we claim with pride our Catholic heritage. Although we are a Catholic school for girls, we welcome all faiths, both as employees and as part of our student body. I'd like to tell you about other fundamental advantages that St. Mary's Academy provides to our students and their families. First, we're smaller compared to other city high schools, but large enough to offer a comprehensive range of academic courses and extracurricular activities. That's an advantage because we really get to know our students and they feel an incredible sense of belonging to our nurturing community here. That leads to a high rate of participation in the life of the school, which in turn has a positive impact on student attitudes and behavior. Our focused academic program has an emphasis on student achievement and abundant opportunities to learn outside the classroom, which are just as important as those experiences inside the classroom. Our school principals will tell you more about that a little later. Our focus is to remain an affordable independent school with a reasonable tuition. Our Active Parents Guild is very effective in raising funds for school programs and equipment. Our SMA Alumni Association promotes a connection to the Academy and fosters a very unique sense of belonging to an intergenerational sisterhood. And incredibly, over the past 5 years, our foundation has raised more than $1.4 million for bursaries. This year, we provided 92 bursaries totaling $426,000. You can find information about our tuition fees and the bursary program on our website. Because our students are at the heart of all our decisions, we'd like you to meet a few of them in this video. First, one of our grade 7 students will tell you about her first year experience at St. Mary's Academy and provide a glimpse of our school.
Hi, I'm Valeria Villeda, and I'm in grade 7 at St. Mary's. My parents told me to go to the open house. It was love at first sight. It was so big. I felt like I was at Hogwarts, like in Harry Potter. When I first came to St. Mary's, I was really nervous because I didn't know anyone. I came alone from my old school. It was easier than I thought to make friends here. If you're nervous about the entry test, don't be. It's just an assessment to show the teachers where you're at. It's not really a test. My parents wanted me to consider to come to St. Mary's, and I wasn't really sure at the start, but now I'm super happy that I came here. What made me decide to come to St. Mary's was the teachers. They seemed all very nice.
I started teaching in 1999, and I have taught primarily English language arts at the senior high level. I think that the most important thing that students can come away with is to be curious thinkers, readers, speakers, presenters. Once I began teaching at St. Mary's, I recognized that I wanted to be in this community of women who were determined to challenge themselves and each other and to celebrate their gifts. And again, always with that lens of faith. For the past few years, students have been reading The Stone Angel by Margaret Laurence, a great Manitoba writer. And they've asked someone in their lives who's at least 25 years their senior to read with them so that they can discuss and share ideas. And we welcome these individuals into the classroom for a breakfast. And in the end, we conclude that in our last days, all we need is a chair, a comfy room, and a good book.
Hello, I'm Michelle Cluse, and I am the principal of the senior high school. I am proud to say that 2 of my daughters have graduated from SMA in 2018 and just recently in 2020. It is my honor to be a part of your daughter's journey while she is here at St. Mary's Academy. I would like to tell you a little bit more about our academic programs, which are centered on supporting a community of learning, faith, and service. We offer challenging and rigorous programs that are designed to meet the needs of a wide diversity of learners. All senior year courses prepare students for university or other post-secondary accredited institutions. We also offer several advanced placement or AP courses that further challenge the students. And of course, all of our programs are approved by Manitoba Education and Training, and all students must meet established requirements in order to graduate. At St. Mary's Academy, we follow curriculums in science, technology, religion, arts, and mathematics, which promote vital skills such as problem solving, critical thinking, collaboration, and innovation, along with essential technology skills. Mathematics and English language arts are considered 2 of our hallmark programs in which we devote instructional time far above provincial requirements at all grade levels. Within English language arts, we dedicate the extra time teaching the skill of academic writing, which gives our girls an advantage as they continue on to post-secondary education. In our mathematics program, a high percentage of our students participate in regionally and nationally sponsored math competitions, due in part to the extra time we devote to critical thinking, advanced problem solving, and coding. And of course, religion is another one of our hallmark programs at St. Mary's Academy.
Hello, I'm Sister Michelle, and I'm a sister of the Holy Names of Jesus and Mary, and welcome to our Holy Names Chapel here at St. Mary's Academy. The religious education program at St. Mary's is academic in nature, and it's rooted in the learning, understanding, and experience of the Catholic Christian tradition. The 6-year program is designed to inform, form, and transform our students on their faith journey. There is a service component that is at each grade level, and every student is required to fulfill. Service within our school and our local and global communities is an expression of who we are at St. Mary's Academy and who we've been since we've opened our doors in 1869. Mission and charism is an integral dimension of St. Mary's Academy. Mission is our compass. It guides us in our day-to-day actions. Our mission reminds us that we are all created in the image and likeness of God, and we are all called to proclaim the good news. Our charism is how we do it. Charisms are gifts of the Spirit, gifts of God that are given to every person. They're meant to be shared with others. Fostering the faith life of our community outside of the classroom at St. Mary's Academy is one of the main roles of the Mission and Charism Department. A team of students and staff collaborate in designing and developing opportunities for all of us to deepen our faith and spirituality in gathered and non-gathered ways.
Hi, I'm Elle Wood, and I'm in grade 10 at St. Mary's Academy. I'm involved with the volleyball, basketball, golf, cross country, and track and field teams. Some of my favorite clubs I'm a part of are Mission and Charism, and the Wellbeing Committee. The Mission Club basically organizes all of the fundraisers that go to the nonprofit organizations around Winnipeg. I believe that it's important to be involved with my faith, and I believe that Mission and Charism really helps me follow God. Following God just helps me round out my life. God is the source of everything. He just helps me make it through the day sometimes. I feel that it's an advantage to go to an all-girls school because it helps you find yourself and helps you find your voice, as well as get comfortable with yourself and others around you. This school is a place where community is put above all things. We're like a huge family here. It's like a home away from home.
All courses, whether compulsory or elective, engage students to be stretched far beyond the minimum requirements set out by the Manitoba Education and Training. We continually incorporate innovative and collaborative approaches, and we encourage our students to become lifelong learners. Above all, we promote good citizens and confident female leaders.
Hi, my name is Dami, and I'm in grade 12, so that's my senior year at St. Mary's Academy. I spearheaded St. Mary's Academy's first ever Black History Month. Since this was the first ever Black History Month event, there was no sort of blueprint that I could go back on and know this is how to do it. So it took a lot of time and effort focusing on the details and knowing what our main goal was. And our main goal was to educate, to celebrate, and to showcase the beauty of the African culture. I definitely think that this month event was crucial for my growth and for the growth of St. Mary's Academy. So stage managing for our last production, The Sound of Music, last year was probably my second best experience at St. Mary's. Usually there is 1 or 2 stage managers per production, but this year there was 7 of us. So just imagine how much fun that would be. I believe that St. Mary's Academy is what builds the leader that I am today. There have been a lot of support, so much support that I can't even talk about. I've learned how to be on a team, not necessarily the leader. And I've also learned how to be a leader. So from both perspectives, I know how a team works.
Hello, I'm Carol Ann Swayze, and I'm principal of junior school. I'm an alumna of St. Mary's. I graduated in 1980, and my daughter is also an alumna, graduating in 2010. As you've heard, we have an amazing academic program here that's quite challenging. One of the things we do have is a phenomenal student support services team. They help all of our learners, every diverse one of them, be the best that they can be in their academics. Alongside that excellent academic program, we have an extracurricular program. We recognize that education is spirit, mind, and body, and we offer the students a multitude of opportunities to grow in every way possible, from athletic endeavors, to expression in the arts, to science experiments. There's something for everyone, and the more involved students become, the more they grow. Our extracurricular clubs are led by student leaders, and they are mentored by their teachers. It's another facet of development that allows them to grow their leadership skills in collaboration, creativity, and developing another unique layer in this building. It's often said that the more you become involved, the more you will get out of it. That was true for me as a student. It was very true for my daughter as a student, and I can see that happening for students here now. The more you put into St. Mary's Academy, the more you will get out of it. A great example of our extracurriculars is our robust athletics program. We cover pretty much every season of athletics: volleyball, basketball, track and field, golf, high school hockey, prep hockey, badminton, you name it, we've got it. We have anything from our art club to a very, very healthy drama program. One of the incredible benefits of our extracurricular program is that quite often students are working across grade levels. So we have younger students mentored by older students, and that also helps develop a very unique layer to our community where the older students, by leading with example, are showing our younger students how they too can grow. What is very evident is that the students are the heart of this building. They are the reason this building thrives as our students strive to be the best young women they can as they move forward in their lives.
Hi, I'm Lily Francis and I'm in grade 12 here at St. Mary's. With our extracurriculars we offer here, I've learned personally a lot about leadership. I was the yearbook co-editor starting in grade 10, which is pretty young, I would say, to be a co-head of a club. So definitely when I first started, it was hard because there were some members that were older than me, and I was really new at being a leader and everything, and leading a club, it's a lot of responsibility. When I first came here in grade 7, I was very shy, did not like raising my hand, did not like speaking, but just I think the all-girls environment really nurtures that confidence, and just no one's gonna judge you if you put your hand up and if you get an answer wrong. St. Mary's is a community, we're all here to build each other up, and no one's tearing each other down or putting people down really. But definitely university-wise, we have academic advisors to help you and answer any questions you have, tell you, what courses you actually need to go into university, which is really, really important because you don't want to apply for university and then realize I actually never took courses I should. I feel like I'm better prepared for both university and just life in general based on my experiences here at St. Mary's.
Our students never cease to amaze us. We as committed faculty and staff are so privileged to be able to guide your daughters through these very formative, informative, and transformative years. In closing, I'd like to share what I feel and what I know is our greatest advantage, the simple and important fact that we are a faith-based school for girls. We know girls thrive in this environment. They come to us as young girls, yet leave as poised, confident, and empowered young women, using their charisms or gifts to make this a better world.
I believe I have the ability to serve and to make a difference.
At the school, we are encouraged to find our voices and find our passions, and with that passion, go out in the world and use it for good.
Here at St. Mary's, we are encouraged to find our voices and use them.
I know that there are no limits to what I can do.
St. Mary's Academy is definitely a place where girls can build their self-confidence and explore a variety of different interests.
I can go as far as I want, and I can build my character as far as I want.
I feel I have the power to lead.
That's what St. Mary's Academy has given to me.
That's what St. Mary's Academy has given me.
That's what St. Mary's Academy has given to me.
If this is the school experience you want for your daughter, I invite you to apply.